The newly opened Labor Attaché office in Berlin will help operationalize these partnerships and serve as a strategic hub for accessing opportunities in the broader European countries or European Union of 26 countries. The net well-being of workers is incomplete without health security. I am pleased to report that over 21 million Kenyans have registered under the Social Health Authority, up from 8 million under what was NHIF. This is a monumental leap towards universal health coverage. I urge every Kenyan to register, and I am happy that every day I watch the SHA portal, and every day between 45,000 and 50,000 Kenyans register. They are assessed, and we are moving the country towards universal health coverage. We are overcoming the teething problems that existed, and more Kenyans are beginning to realize that we can have universal coverage, reaching out to as many Kenyans as possible. Distinguished workers, ladies and gentlemen, the right to join a union for protection of the values of fair pay, safe working conditions, and the right to unionize is a constitutional guarantee. I have directed the Ministry of Labor and all relevant agencies to ensure that even employees under outsourced contracts can freely join trade unions and benefit from collective bargaining frameworks. Additionally, I am also pleased to announce that Kenya will ratify the two critical ILO conventions. ILO Convention number 189 of 2011 on domestic workers to safeguard their dignity and rights, and ILO Convention number 190 of 2019 on eliminating violence and harassment in the world of work. Dr. Mutua and team, you know what you need to do so that when we come here next year, we will report to the Kenyan workers that we have ratified and we have concluded our work. As Dr. Atwoli has said, when we agreed to enhance pay by 6% last year, there ensued a debate, and some of the employers have not implemented the 6% we agreed on last year. It is not right, it is unacceptable, and I am directing the ministry to work with the head of public service to ensure that every employer makes sure that we implement the 6% increase of salary that we agreed upon last year, and to quickly embark on the exercise to put together the next agreement so that we can take it forward in the next time. To all of